We're now going to take a look at the data frame value counts method. So let's go ahead and use the employee data frame again. We saw this with a series, a quick review here. You can select the department series and call value counts. It puts the unique value in the index, and then the count, the number of times it appears as the values returning a series, and it nicely sorts it from highest to lowest. So very important and popular method for series. This also works on a data frame. The way it works is, though, you probably want to put in the subset of columns you want to count. So you can get the same exact result by doing this. Sorry, I meant to do department, so to see that. Okay, so you get back a series. All right, we're counting that particular column. But you can count multiple columns at the same time. So the unique co-occurrence. So here is department and race over here. So we can see here. Now this is still a series. It's a new type of series that we have not covered before. It's a series with a multi-level index. So that means there's two labels in the index. Here it's department and race. It is still a series. So the series still contains a single column of values right here. A single sequence of data. This is the data. These are technically labels over here. So what this is a police department that have white as their race. There are 3,189 of those employees. Over here, police and Hispanic. There's 2,010 of those. Notice that there is nothing here. This corresponds, this is just the way it is output on the screen. This just means if there's nothing here, you look above. So this value really is police. So you say police that are black, 1,852 appearances. And this is, police Hispanic is said. So if you don't see, if something is missing over here, it's really just using the one above it. This is called a multi-level index. Each one of these columns is called a level. It's not technically a column. It's not a data frame. It's considered a level. The name of the level is above here. These multi-level indexes are a little bit more difficult to operate with. There will be a separate part of the course that covers multi-level indexes, just because they are, have their own unique rules on how to operate with them. But it shouldn't be too hard to read. You can just look at it has multiple levels for a single value. All right, so that's value counts. Of course, you can use the ones we've talked about before. You can normalize, true. So this will give you the percentage. So 13.1% of the employees are in the police department and are white. So that's a common option to use as well. You can sort it in the other direction using ascending equals false or equals true to make it go from least to greatest. All right, so that is the value counts method for a data frame.